Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take screenshots on your Mac. It's really easy, so let's just get into it. To take a screenshot of your entire screen, what you want to do is press Shift, Command, and the number 3, and that will just take a screenshot of your entire screen. So at the bottom here, we can see a little floating thumbnail. If you leave it for a few seconds, it will actually place the file onto your desktop. So we can click that and press spacebar just to preview that. And there we can see our screenshot. The second option, if you only wanted to take a screenshot of a portion of your screen, is to press Shift, Command, and the number 4, and that will turn your cursor into a crosshair. Now we can go and select whatever portion we want to take a screenshot of. So let's just say we wanted to take a screenshot of that. Again, we can view it here, and there we can see that is the screenshot that we've just taken. There's a third option as well. If we press Shift, Command, and 5, we see that we've got another option here. So we've already done selected portion. We've done the entire screen. And now we've got a selected window. So for this, I just want to open up an application. Let's just go back in there. So I'm going to select window, and you'll see wherever I hover my cursor now, it will turn blue, indicating that that's where the screenshot will be taken. So if I just wanted to take a screenshot of this recording software, you can go ahead and let me just minimize that. And there we can see that is a screenshot only of the window. Now this works in Google, on tabs, anything. So this is quite a handy feature. Another option that you have in this menu, which I just wanted to show you, is Command Shift 5. And you also have screen recording options here. So as with the screen capture, we've got the entire screen, or we've got only a portion. So for this, I'm just going to select the entire screen. And then we've got a few options here where we can select where we want to save it, the duration of the recording, which microphone you want to use, and just a few other preferences. Once you set up and you're happy with all your settings, just go ahead and hit record, and it will now record your screen. So I will just open that again and close it so we can see some movement. And once you are done and you're happy, you can look up here in the toolbar here, and you'll see a little stop button. Go ahead and stop that. And again, it's going to place the recording onto your desktop. So let's just give that a few seconds, and there we go. So let me just open this. And if we view that now, we can see that is what we've just done on the screen. Anyway, that's all for today. I hope that you have found value in this video. If you did, please leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time.